One nobleman rode on his horse, that's one, with a neat necklace that glimmered in the sun. Two nice nuns ate some nuts in their shell, their nimble hands cracking them well. Three new notebooks stacked high on the shelf, 900 pages to fill with yourself. Four noisy narwhals swimming in the sea, their noses long and sharp as can be. Five nimble ninjas dressed in black attire, with nunchucks and swords they never tire. Six neat nails waiting in the store, ready to join wood forevermore. Seven narrow needles weaving through, clothes they make like brand new. Eight new numbers to learn and explore, from 0 to infinity, there's so much in store. Nine nightingales singing in the night, their notes so sweet and their feathers bright. 10 natural nests up in a tree, where birds can rest and just be. Our rhyming trip through N is done. With plenty of words, we've had great fun. Now let's move on to letter O, where we'll find more words to flow.